everyone. Welcome back
Back
to
to our
our
live
live
stream
streaming
channel.
channel. This is Rocky and this is my colleague Michelle.
Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to our live stream.
We are from I.C.T Technology, and at last two live streamings we have introduced our company. And from now on, we are going to introduce our equipments for you one by one. And our today's topic is fully automatic stencil printer. Hello, Michelle. Do you know how much do you know about the stencil printer?
Sure, the printer is a machine which can print solder pasty and group on PCB board.
Yeah, exactly. Do you know any more about fully automatic stencil printer?
Yes, in fact, in our factory, we have a fully automatic printer and also the semi-auto printer, and the application for the printer is LCD TV, LED, consumer electronics, etc. And for the semi-auto solder pasty stencil printer, it is no need programmer and it needs one worker to fix the solder pasty. And compare the fully automatic stencil printer, it will be more intelligent, more automatic, and also it can handle the high precision PCB board.
Wow, you're so good. And yes, it's the printer is widely used in many different industries. OK，然后下一个。
Okay, Master. Okay, Rocky, I have one question for you. For example, if you are a purchase manager and now you are planning to purchase a fully auto stencil printer for your company, what concerns you about and you will need to check with your supplier?
Uh, OK, it's a very good question. Let me think. I think I will list some keywords for you. Michelle, can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
OK. Come here. Uh, I think if I'm a purchase manager, I would like to know this key information from our supplier. First, I'd like to know the capacity. Yes, capacity. And I also want to know price. Yes, most important, price.
Price?
Yes,
Yeah,
price.
is important.
Then I'd like to know the machine's warranty. Yes, warranty.
Yeah.
And let me say, maybe after sales service. Yes, service. And let me check. Is there any more certificate? Yeah, certificate. And one more and function, machine function. Yes. Okay, thank you, Michelle. Actually, from the we are the manufacturers, right? Yes. From the view of our side, we also needed to check the PCB information from our customer, so as to we can to recommend best our suitable printer for our customer. Firstly, we like to know what's the customer's products. For example, some customer produce TV, some customer produce LED and automotive electronics, consumption electronics, and all these different industry has different requirements on the printing precision. And the second, we needed to check the second key information with our customer is that circuit board's max PCB size. When doing the printing, for example, this printer, our printer, the max PCB work size is 650 millimeter in length and 340 millimeter in width. if beyond the maxi PCB working size, we have to change another our module. Yes.
Okay, thanks, Rocky. I'd like to fix out your question later. Now let's introduce our today's character, Fury Auto Stencil Printer. Okay, and I will invite my engineer Andy to operate the machine. Welcome, Andy.
Okay. Hello. Here. Nice to meet you. I'm Andy. I'm an after sales engineer of I.C.T.
Yes,
Nice to
thanks.
meet you. Oh.
Okay.
Now let me show you the printer of this one. You can look. Okay, now I will show you all this machine from this printer of this and this the operation of the system of machine. Now you can see here, this machine is of the manual of the machine from here, and the software is easily to operate this. And you can see here, this is go home, and all the models is very easily and can see is simple. Now we go home the machine of this. Now you can see the machine, the X and what the machines go home and you can check. And here this machine of the stairs of the home moving weight. You can see here. And here you can use this machine going home position. Okay, the machine has finished going home position. And this machine, this is a conveyor system of this. And this is here is the CCD system. You can see here, this is the digital camera of the CCD. This the camera can analyze this stencil mark, and this here can analyze this PCB mark. And here is a stopper of the PCB here. And this is the printer of this PCB printer, the system. And the back is have a clean the system of this machine. Okay, let's the measure to show you the machine.
Okay, thanks, Andy. Okay, if you didn't catch by Andy, let's review again. So this is our Fury Auto printer. Both two is the Fury automatic stencil printer. For this one is the standard equipment. So now you can see the printer will be mainly increase few systems. I would like to introduce one by one. So first, let's have a look. So now you can see that here is the first one is the delivery system. So now you can see that the transit system, the PCB board will be transit on the rail smoothly into the printer, into the printer. The positioning double star rail will ensure the accuracy of the accuracy and stability of the printing. And so now you can also control the speed and direction on the computer. Now you can see that the direction from left to right. Also, you can control that on right to left, controlled by computer. And the next part is the visual system. Okay, and they help to 让那个相机过来。Here's the CCD camera. It's a CCD camera. So the CCD camera will 它会控制那个钢网，装那钢网吗？ The CCD camera can clearly recognize the stencil on top and also the PCB board on the bottom. By recognize the four dots on the board, two on tops and two dots on the stencil. Now 钢网不在。Yes, the visual system recognized by by two dots too. Yes. Okay, now it fixed well. The next part is the printing system. The printing system, Andy will have to try to print one. 现在可以是吗？
Yes.
We can try to print one to check what it will be looks like.
The stencil and the PCB color.
Wait a moment. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Auto solder package supplier. Supply it.
Okay, let me the solder pass into the machine and just show you the printer the print the PCB here. Now you can see that the printer is normal working and show you the print the PCB board. Now the printer is clearly in the PCB board. You can see here. Okay, now let me check the PCB. Let me check the PCB board print is the quality of this PCB. And here the SPI can check the PCB, this printing and the less soldering of this. And you can see here. Okay, let me just measure to show you this machine, another fast machine.
Yes. So now you can see the accuracy for the printing, accuracy for the printing error range will be 0.01 millimeter, and the printing accuracy and the accuracy for the printing will be around error range around 0.025 millimeter. Okay, now that's the printing system. Okay, Rocky, you got some.
Michelle, I have one question. Andy, how many seconds will we printing one circuit board on this printer?
Board, you can see different PCB board have different concert time. This PCB is about 10 second time of this machine. Okay.
Andy said that for different kind of PCB board is dependent on its complexity. For example, for this board, the circle time for printing one circuit board is around 10 seconds. Okay, Michelle, your turn. You talk about.
Oh, thanks, Rocky. In fact, our fully automatic stencil printer with 2D inspection function. If your PCB board in maybe it's more simple in lower precision, you can use this function to inspect your PCB board. However, the printer cannot complete everything. So if you need SPI, we also have one. So if you had any requirements, contact us. Okay, the next part is cleaning system.
Okay, let me show you the SPI.
Okay.
How to check this soldering of the PCB printer.
Okay.
Now you can see this SPI. This SPI check this soldering quality.
It's an SPI machine to inspect the PCBA system.
Okay, you can see here they check the good and the PCB off. And check is no problem.
Any means this machine is mainly to inspect the printing quality in the circuit board, and the machine will recognize the PCB inside and showing the screen quality on the screen. As you can see here, after inspection, the results will show in the screen. If it's okay, then we will just to move to next process. Will be okay. And if we inspect some defective circuit board, this machine will feed back the data to the printer, and the printer will adjust the program to make sure the next PCB board is not printing like that defective problems.
Yes. I think Rocky introduced us our SPI. Also, he introduced one option for the PCB board. That's an SPI close up loop. The option, maybe I will introduce that later. Let's keep on going our printer. Yes. So the next part is cleaning system. Our cleaning system. Okay, I also need Andy for help. Andy. So cleaning system within you can set dry clean, wet clean, vacuum clean, and also biannual clean. You can set the cleaning time. Maybe you can set one time, two or three. Yes, on the computer. by the software?
Here.
Yes. How about Andy operate how to cleaning the PCBA board?
Okay, let me show you the clean the PCB board. Okay.
我说下没有那个纸。
嗯，没事没事。
Yes, in fact, when you need wet clean, you need to add some alcohol. 真的，九哥那里可以打开看吗？
可以，可以。
Yes, follow us. Also, you can see here's our factory, some semi-auto free printer there, and yes. So Andy.
Let me show you the clean system of this machine. You can see here. There's a clean water and this is a clean paper here. And this clean system come out to the clean stencils and the under the stencils soldering.
Let me introduce this part for you. We comes to the clean system. We got three module: dry module, wet module, and vacuum module. And we can use dry. When it comes to dry module, we just use this clean paper to clean the stencil sheet. And when it comes to the white module, here we come with industry alcohol. Yes, we just dispense the alcohol to the stencil sheet. Then we combine with the paper cleaning. Then the stencil frame will be cleaned very well. Okay. And the last one, important one, this cleaning system we can set up by ourselves the cleaning times. For example, we can cleaning 1 times or 2 times or 3 times. Just set up on the computer. We'll finish this part.
Yes, you can set up the time to cleaning the stencil until it was clearly clean. Because this machine is already ordered by our other customers, so we can operate the wet cleaning function. So you need to put the industry alcohol inside it, so you can use the wet cleaning function. Okay, maybe Andy will help us to operate the wet cleaning.
Okay, let me show you the 2D of this machine. How they check the solder on this machine. Look. And you can see here. Okay, let me check. Here this the clean setting of this clean setting and clean model here. Here has wet clean and dry clean and wet clean.
Dry clean. Yes.
You can see here. And this machine has 2D of this machine. Wait a moment. Let me show you of this machine 2D. Wait. Let me show you this machine of 2D. You can check. I make the 2D of this machine. First, I make the market first.
the camera here will help to find the mark point on the circuit board. It will showing by the camera and showing here on the screen, so we can easy to find the mark point.
Yes, I had the mark. I have this different models of this. And how this make the 2D of this machine. Look here. And you can edit this 2D. Now we check this part of this soldering of this. You can see here this the part has less the soldering. You can check here. No soldering here. Now let's the rock show you the machine another fashion.
First, when we set up when we find the mark point on the screen, and this computer will save this program and archived on the machine. And when next time we printing the same size PCB, we can just pick that, save the file and just to re-select it and use to printing this new circuit board will be okay.
Yes, that's all for the cleaning system. And the next part for this printer is the, okay, let's check the, so you can see that the software, 这个怎么退出？ switch系统。So the software for this printer within a Win10 system, it can well compatible with this printer. In some case to avoid some unnecessary troubles, if some newly engineer he didn't know how to operate it, it will be very friendly for them to handle this machine. Okay, here's our standard fully automatic stencil printer. So now you can see here's two printers here. In fact, this is totally same like the left one. What's the differences? So now you can see that this machine with some extra options, with some extra options inside here. It was no. 先不开始。Yes, Andy try to show us what the option is. Yes, in fact, this printer was customized by our customer from Russia. His product is Consumer Electronics, and the company is very professional, and he got some requirements for the printer. So after communication with our engineer team, we customized this printer for them. So now let's have a detailed look for what the option is. So Andy, I need your help. So
let me show you the operation of this machine.
So the first one is PCB. So the first option is PCB vacuum. Yes, with these options, the PCB board can be well fixed on the table to make sure the accuracy for the printer.
可以看一下那个真空棒。
Okay, let me show you the form of this one cone of the PCB here. You can see here.
Yes, it's a
I will open the PCB one have work.
it's a vacuum pump.
我补充一下，我补充一下。This system called vacuum system. This vacuum pump will give power, give a strength, downward strength to pressure the PCB on the platform. Yes. Okay.
Wait, let me show you adjust the conveyor vise and show you how to the top plate of the machine. Wait. Wait a moment. Let me show you. This is the conveyor system how to adjust this PCB heating of this machine. You can see here. And okay, you can see. Now let me show you this another operation of this machine.
Here's an option of PCB vacuum table. The Andy said that is the top crab.
Yes, you can see.
Top crab. To make sure the PCB board well fixed on the table. Make sure the accuracy for the printing. Yes, Andy show us that here's another option for a wide direction memory. This function is used for when you 刚网，我知道你。Yes, let's use this stencil. Yes, I think it's a very useful function. Stencil. 我还有好多。
Now you can see the sensor position of this machine. You can see. The stopper is down this machine. You put the sensor into the machine and the sensor position can push the sensor front forward to here.
Yes, this option can be mainly very useful for some newly engineer like Andy. He is very experienced engineer, so he can use without the options. Well fixed the stencil. However, the right direction options can be well fixed the stencil. Yes. And 下一个是。
And here the sensors can adjust the conveyor the track. The track level of this adjust level this have sensors can serve the head of this support pin and support block here. You can see here the two sensors here.
Here's the two sensors here, two sensors here to feeling that the the PCB board can be well fixed on the table. Okay, Rocky.
球哥帮我把这个拿过来。Okay. Here I'd like to make some points for this sensor. PCB wireless protection system. This station will monitor the width of this rail in real time. After we set up the width on the computer, for example, this PCB board is width, for example, is 100 millimeter width in width. We put the PCB on the rail, and this rail width will just fit with the rail. And sometimes when the rail is adjustable, when it come from back to the forward, if the width is less than 100 millimeter, the rail will crash and damage the PCB. So this sensor will make sure the rail can't crush the PCB and damage the PCB in the horizon level.
Yes, I guess this customer was so professional, so he customized so many options for his company. And in fact, here's another interesting option. Here's the stencil hole inspection system. So maybe you are using the cleaning system. It will better help you to find your PCB, and so the plastic is well cleaning. The stencil hole inspection option. Yes, here's an LED panel. When the light up, he will feel. Yes, he can well text whether your stencil also the plastic is well clean. Yes, in fact, our printer have other options you can choose. This only customized by Russian customers. If you have your requirements, you can tell us. You can tell with our engineer team, so we can customize for you. 不要补充了，你这样抢来抢去。
不是我的意思，我想再讲两个系统。Please hold on. I'd like to introduce two more optional system. One is for this system. We call it automatic applying solder paste. The sensor here will monitor the 把钢管装上吧。自动加气。钢管装上啊，钢管。This sensor here will monitor the solder paste condition on the stencil sheet, and when the solder paste is used up, it will feedback here, and this valve will dispense the solder paste automatically on the stencil sheet. So this is a very important option for many customers. And another option system I'd like to introduce is that temperature and humidity feedback. Please look at here.
Now let's install this stencil into the machine and show you how to work this. You can't see this this.
Here, please, here. This valve will control by the computer to add the solder paste on the stencil sheet automatically. Next optional function here, like I said, we set up that devices to monitor the temperature and the humidity on the machine. Please look at here. we can see that the temperature here right now is 19.5 degrees, and humidity is here, and these two temperature and humidity we are showing here in real time. Uh, 然后我讲一下，再稍等一下啊。We have introduced two machines. One is standard machine with standard options, functions, and another one with more extra functions, just for options. For different customer have different extra functions. We can just customize all these extra functions as our customers needing. So if you need any need this printer, just don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow our channel. We will introduce more machines in the future. And Michelle will, and thanks for Andy and Michelle demonstrate these two machines. Then we will move to next part.
Okay, what's next part? What's next part?
Next part, I'd like to introduce our inspection procedure. We know that inspect procedure is very important. We take this very seriously because we think that quality is the reputation of I.C.T. So we will make sure our machine will running well when our machine reach to our customer's factory. When we do the inspection, we will attach the machine statute card together with the machine. It will record the inspection conditions such as order number, machine's name, model, and inspector. For example, this model is inspected by Andy, so he will take in charge this whole inspection procedure. 给你的问题。
Yes, that's the inspection process. Okay, maybe you will show us what's the next process for our I.C.T.
Okay, our procedure. I will introduce our procedure. 这个 I'll show you our stencil printer items. We have this stencil printer list, and we will check each items one by one. Okay. For example, we will check the appearance first. For example, when we check the appearance, we will check about such like the painting. We will make sure the appearance no scratch on the painting, and we to check the logo and the color and the name card. We got name card here, and we got name card here. Please have a check. And we make sure name card, name and statute card is same to make sure each model and each order is 100% and well inspected. Okay, Michelle, thanks. After the appearance inspection, then we'll check about the hardware. To test the machine's running condition, and after that we will check about the software. Software in here, for example, sometimes we will install the remote assistant software, and we put some instructive videos or packing pictures about the customer's order. 这个地方先闭着，等一下啊。然后讲and at last we will inspect the spare parts such as the toolbox. We'll make sure each part on the machine is 100% well inspected. I'd like to take an example. Come here. For example, can you show here this screws on the frame. For each little tiny screw, we will inspect its condition, and after inspection, we will make a mark on it to prove that we have inspect this. And after the inspection, we will make a record. Any problems here during this inspection, we will make records, and our engineer will handle it and make sure it's no problem before the shipping. Okay, I think I have talked too much about this inspection part. Then we come to next part. Next part, I'd like to introduce our packing and after sales service. Michelle, which one you prefer to talk about first?
How about packing first?
Okay, I will introduce our packing standard for all you guys. Andy, please help me show the packing picture.
Okay, let me show you the packaging of this machine. This is the first packaging.
Sorry. Please look at here. In I.C.T's packaging standard, we use safe and standard export standard. Inside the box, inside the package, we will use stink sponge. We'll use stink sponge and 下一张 next one. We'll use stink sponge and vacuum materials to package the machine, and to make the whole package is moisture proof. And outside the 下一张 and outside we will use 25mm plywood to make this wooden box, and which makes the whole package more durable. And the wooden and the plywood wooden box will don't need to do any fumigation when doing the shipment, and during the customer clearance, save much trouble when doing the shipping for our customers. Okay, then we will come to our final part, and that will be after sales service part. When do the after sales service, we have both online help and on-site help. I'd like to introduce one by one. First one is online help. First we have Michelle help me handle the menu. Thanks. Firstly, we got this menu together when we shipping the machine to our customer. When customer gets the menu, it will clearly show and show our customer how to learning and operate the machine. And secondly, we also got instructive videos on the computer. It will clearly show the installation training process. Please, okay, here. Here, this video will clearly show our machine's condition, specification, size, weight, and installation. I think, and the installation is most important for our customer and the operation system. So don't worry about the installation and the training. And comes to the last part, we will supply free training course on installation, training, commission, and maintenance online by our engineer and our sales team. For example, back to the table, back to 主页，关掉就好了，关掉，再返回。Back to the table. For example, here we install this remote assistant software. Once need online remote assistance, our team and our engineer and our service team will, if our customer have any questions, we just to hold this remote assistant to help our customer to solve each problems and their questions. Okay. And also, if the customer still need on-site help, our engineer will help to on-site installation and training their workers. And actually, even in the COVID-19 panic, our company still send engineer to help our customer to do the installation and the training. For them, the Andy just come back from Iran on last month. Andy, would you mind share some experience in Iran?
Yes, let me show you Iran. I come to Iran. After this is the Iran customers factory. Okay, I show you all this picture. I Iran after sales support of this.
Okay. On the September of this year, Andy just went to the Iran and helped around 3 customers to handle their installation and training. They go to Yazd and Tehran, and then finally he come. The whole trip takes more than 1 month. Okay. Okay, we got 1 customer into our channel. Andy will share.
Okay, I will show you. This is Iran customers friends. I show you online. This is my friends about my company's machine. 你好 ，Hello， Hello， 你好，您听到吗？
你好，
你听到是吧
听到了。
？OK， 你可以自我介绍一下吗？
可以。
行。
我叫诗梅，我是中文翻译，我现在在伊朗。
Okay, this is my friend now is in Iran. He buy my machines of the printer machine. 你好，请问一下我们的印刷机用的怎么样？
是，你们公司的机器非常好用，我们准备下单，再采购更多的同类机器。
Okay, thank you. 非常荣幸你们非常感谢你们用我们的机器。我相信下一步我们会继续合作。Okay, thank you.
好，谢谢。
Okay, thank you very much for Andy share this customer video with us. Thank you very much. And then comes here Michelle. I think here comes to our we will finish our today's live streaming.
Yes. Okay. We talk so much about our printer. Let's take a review for some question we take before our live stream. Let's back here. So at first, Rocky told what he concerns about if he buy a printer from the supplier. So now we can answer all these questions, right?
Okay. I think that all these questions we have mentioned in our live streaming just half hours ago, and such as capacity for the printer, the circle printing for each circuit board is within 10 seconds, right?
Yes, and it depends on your PCB able precisions, and also the price is important.
Okay, our price is very competitive in the market. Just find us and order to us. Okay.
How many years you can get?
We supply 1 year warranty for all our overseas market customers.
And the service you can see that our engineer Andy has.
About service, we have online and on-site after-sales service. I just have introduced. Our engineer, our service team will do our best to supply our service. And here we seem missed this part, but it's okay. Certificate, we got CE certificate for European customers and other customers. And this part we have take much time on this part to show the machine's function. So we think here all is very clear. So we'll finish our today's live streaming. And I like to, if you like our channel, and please subscribe and follow our channel. We will introduce more machines in the future. And any information about our team, our company, you can also browse our website at, Michelle, help me write our website, okay? You can browse our website at www.smtfactory.com. Okay, here is our website. If any question about our machine, our team, welcome to leave your comments and a message on the channel, and leave your message. Our service team will help you further. Thank you, and see you next time.
Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel ETA SMT. Next time we will have another subject for another SMT machines. Don't miss it.
Thank you, all, dear friends. Let's welcome you to come to China with the I.C.T. I.C.T is your home. Thank you.
Okay, see you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.